Hey YouTube, I wanted to take a minute to show you how to get these little seals off of these bolts, especially when they have this flange on them. See that flange? I'm going to show you how to get them off. These are off of a Honda valve cover 2001 to 2012. I couldn't find a good video online to really show you how to do it, so I thought I'd make one. So what you're going to need is an 11/16 socket, and you're going to take that socket and you're going to take your little bolt with your little rubber washer and you're going to set it down in it just like that. So now you take your rubber washer and you put the head down inside of the socket. Then you're going to take it and you're going to compress it with a vise like so, so that you're compressing that bolt up into the side of the socket, and it's going to go past the little holder for with this flange. So by turning it in, you're compressing that little rubber seal, and you'll see it when it's done. It'll fall right out in your hand, and then you take it and you just pull it off, and you lay it down. You take your bolt, you set your socket down, you get a 9/16 socket, get your new little rubber like that, and put it on your bolt. But this time you're going to put the socket on the rubber side, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to compress it just like this. And we'll crank this vise open here a little bit so you can get it all in here so you can watch me do it. So now you're compressing the bolt into the rubber seal, and it'll go inside the socket. Once it gets inside of there, usually the socket will just drop down. So now you're just compressing that bolt into that rubber, and it falls in your hand, and then it's all done. It's pretty quick, it's pretty simple. I'll do it again. Take your socket, 11/16 socket, put the head of the socket inside of there. Then when you open up the vise, you put the socket in, and you're compressing that bolt into the side of the socket, and you just turn on it, turn on it, turn on it till it falls off in your hand. Then take it off, get your new one, put it on top like so, get your 9/16, and you're going to put it on the rubber side this time like this, and then you're going to compress that in your vise like this. My hands are oily from holding on to that seal. I want to make sure I do it right. I want to, and you just press it on just like this, and it'll fall off when it goes on, and there you have it. Put your bolts back up inside your valve cover, screw it down to the head, and you're good to go. If you have any comments, hit me up below in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.